Learn to write. Writing is fun.
Let's go play house. Let's go play house.
In English, we have 4 lines to write on. First line is skyline. Second line is fence line. The third line is grass line. The fourth line is fruit line.
Today we will learn the formation of letter B.
First, we will learn the formation of small b. Put your pencil on the skyline. Come down straight and touch the grass line. Now go up, touch the fence line. Now make a semicircle while touching the grass line. Try again, kids.
No. Let's go play house. Let's go play house.
Bravo, you did great. Now we will learn the formation of capital B. Put your pencil on the skyline. Come down straight and touch the grass line. Now put your pencil again on the skyline. Make a semicircle while touching the fence line. Now come out and make another semicircle while touching the grass line. Let's try again.
No. Let's go play house. Let's go play house.
Great job. Thank you for listening.
Subscribe for more videos by EY Teaching Resources.